Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over some of the best settings you can have for your Samsung Odyssey G4 so you can optimize this for the best performance and best visuals. So first things first, open up your monitor's OSD menu. So if you don't know how to do this, you just press the menu button on the back of your monitor to open the on-screen display menu, right? Then what you want to do, guys, is you need to navigate to the picture mode and select custom for maximum control, and then just set your brightness to 75% for clear visibility and adjust contrast to 70% for balanced highlights and shadows. Now I want you to set your sharpness to 60% for those crisp visuals and choose color temperature to warm to for those natural tones. And I also want you to go ahead and enable the maximum refresh rate of 240 Hz for, that ultra smooth gameplay, and also set response time to fastest to minimize input lag. And if your system can support this, go ahead and turn on a G-Sync for NVIDIA and FreeSync for AMD to basically eliminate that screen tearing during gaming, right? And now I want you to also adjust the black equalizer to 10. What this will do, it will give you a better visibility in dark scenes. And if you are using HDR content, go ahead and enable HDR mode in the monitor settings. And what you can also do is you can activate game mode. If you are gaming, then what this will do, this will give you optimized settings that are tailored for gaming. And then, you can also go ahead and adjust individual settings like color and sharpness to suit your preferences for movie, work, or gaming. And that's it, guys. These settings will bring the best out of your Samsung Odyssey G4. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.